I said I've had enough of all this nonsense going on social media.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Classic Ola. Welcome to today's episode on my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for the support. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for visiting my channel once again. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe for more of my videos. Subscribe to my channel, support me, and click on the notification bell for more updates on my channel. Thank you. Today's gist is all about Judy Austin, our Nollywood actress Judy Austin, that got married to Yul Edochie. She got married as the second wife to Yul Edochie. She posted on her husband's Facebook page today. She blows hot. She slams Nigeria for criticizing she and her husband Yul Edochie. According to her, it makes no sense for Nigerians to be trying to dictate the way a man in his 40s should lead his life. Judy Austin, actress and wife of the popular Nollywood actor Yul Edochie, has for the first time taken to social media to directly address those criticizing her marriage to the actor, which is Yul Edochie. In a video she shared via Yul's official Facebook page, Judy, who recently welcomed her second child with the actor Yul Edochie, expressed outrage at those constantly trolling her and her husband. She said she has had enough of the insult and incessant criticism and mocked Nigerians for wanting to control her life and that of her husband. Imagine. According to her, it makes no sense for Nigerians to be trying to dictate the way a man in his 40s should live and should live his life. In addition to what she said, she criticized the notorious bloggers and gist lovers for spreading unscrupulous and unverified rumor about her, which is subsequently subjected to her cyberbullying. She said later in the day she will be coming live to address so many issues, and she said she will be answering so many questions. Any question you have, you direct it to her and she's ready to address it all. The way she was talking, she was so angry. You need to imagine the anger in her voice. She was really angry the way she was talking. Like, that was why she said she will come online to address the issue once and for all. And the only person I truly feel for now is me. I can imagine what she's going through right now, and the husband is even behaving like he doesn't even care. The husband is behaving like he doesn't care. It's none of his business. The way Judy and Yul are displaying themselves on social media now, like it's no man's business. Like, it's not really good. But I thank God that May is coming out strong. I thank God she's alive. I thank God. I believe someday she will tell her story and she will give God thanks for everything. I believe that, and I pray God will keep strengthening her, because it is not easy. If it hasn't happened to someone, you won't know how it feels. I have never experienced it, and I don't pray I experience such, but it's not easy. But I just pray God help me. I pray God strengthen her, even the kids too. I pray God give them the grace to stay through this trying moment. She said she has had enough of all the lies. She has had enough of all the complaints. She has had enough of everything people are discussing about her marriage. But come to think of it, why won't people discuss about her marriage when she took another person's husband? Like, why on earth would she take someone else's husband? Now she's complaining. So I thought they were enjoying all the bullies. I thought they were enjoying all the complaints. I thought they were enjoying all the criticism and all that. Initially it was okay with them. Initially they were enjoying it, but now she's not finding it funny anymore. She says she's tired. She has had enough of all the criticism. She has had enough of all the complaints. So she really wants to stop it. She wants people to stop complaining about her marriage. People should stop prognosing in her marriage.